Hello everyone, welcome to day 24 of Parenting Simplified with Shining Spiral. On day 18 we had shared a video where we discussed that children should be kept screen free and the ways to keep children screen free. After that video we got some inquiries or let us say questions from the parents who said that because of COVID the work environment had changed and most of them were working from home, and because of that, that is what was said, children are getting more interested in screens. How should they deal with it? So we'll be talking about that here. Yes, agreed. COVID changed a lot of things. Parents were going to office, children were going to school, life was in a different pattern. And because of COVID, most of the people started working from home. And children also stayed at home and they had no outdoor activity, at least for the initial some months. Now, the thing is, there is a confusion in the mind of the child. The child has not been explained or given a signal or an indication that the parent is working from home in a clear manner. So the child feels, if my father is here and if my mama is here, they are sitting on the screen and I am sitting alone and I am not being with them, so he is feeling lonely or he is feeling left out. So basically the child is trying to seek your attention if he is coming closer to you when you are working on the screens. So what can you do about it? What you need to do is, one, make it very clear first in your mind that this is my work time. So from 11 to 1 is my time of office, and then again from 3 to 7, whatever is your timing, is my office time. Once you have that consciousness, you will send that message to the child that this is my work time and I will not be available to you directly. Keep a fixed place for working. Don't keep on shifting your workstations. That will also help the child in getting a feeling that parent is working. Along with that, जो हमने पिछले वीडियोस में कई बात की है, if you are able to plan a rhythm, obviously the rhythm has changed what you had before because पहले बच्चा स्कूल जाता था, आप ऑफिस जाते थे. Now with the changing times, plan a rhythm which will ensure that you are having some time with the child, some quality time with the child. That will satisfy the child's urge to spend time with the parent. Also, even if you're working, try to keep your meal times free from work. Lunch, breakfast, dinner. Ensure that you're putting the child to bed. Not that I'm very tired, अब मैं सुला नहीं सकती, आप husband को बोल दो या जो भी आपका pattern है आप उसे deviate करो. If you will have a clear understanding of work time and home time, if you will keep a fixed workstation, and if you will give adequate time to the child, complete presence to the child when you are not working, I'm sure it will resolve your problem. Thank you.